Welcome to the shop. This behind me is my Ram 3500, currently with the flatbed off, as I install airbags. You'll see here shortly a short slideshow, collection of photos from starting about 2 years ago, from whenever I got this truck as a roller, and have slowly built it up over the last couple of years. It is obviously a money pit because, well, what project isn't? And I hope you all enjoy the slideshow.
I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. And if I find a way to get it, when I do it, I can live it and forget it. Cause I hate how much I love you, or I hate how you just put me in my feelings. I just wish you understood the gravity, but you got low sinners. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember. I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. Yeah, now I'm so lost, where do I go? I was in the chase, caught a flat on road. It was all love, X no O. I was feeling rich, but we turned out broke. North Pole, life so cold. Lukewarm love, should've took it to the stove. You were bad news, all kind, no pro. We grew apart fast. I guess we was reaping what we sowed in. I guess we was unequally yoked in. Guess if we was putting on the shoulder, guess we should've tried to take it slow then. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be growing older. Now I can't believe that it was real. It was back in late December when I did it. I just wish I could forget it. Cause I hate how much I love it, oh I hate how I just love to catch a feeling. And you told me that you understood depravity, but now I know you didn't. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember. If I find a way to get it, when I do it, I can live it and forget it. Cause I hate how much I love you, or I hate how you just put me in my feelings. I just wish you understood the gravity, but you got lower sinners. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than
to live it. Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh.
Well, I hope y'all like that slideshow. Let me know what y'all think about the build. Obviously, it's a long way from done. I got to decide whether I'm going to wrap it or paint it. I'm currently about to put holes in my frame because, you know, that's good for it. But it's for a good cause. Got airbags going on. And hope y'all have a good day. But let me know. What do y'all think? Should I just cut this corner out? Or do y'all think I can pull it? Not really a body guy. I've never done it before, but I'm assuming that's why the guy I bought it from decided to part it out. And then I bought it from him for nothing. But the rest of the truck is solid, so I guess kids do dumb things. But y'all have a good day.